again to my channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again to another exciting video. Today I am going to be making a body scrub, and this body scrub is one of the items that comes with a package that I am making for a friend of mine. This is a requested video, and I made a face cream last week. So this week I am going to be making the scrub because it's like a complete package. So it's very important and it's very, very essential for us to scrub our body at least once or twice a week. If you have sensitive skin, it's always advisable to scrub your skin at least once a week. And if you have any other skin type, you should at least be able to scrub your skin twice or more every week in order to get the effect of whatever you're using, because when you scrub, you're actually taking out the dead skin cells and let the new skin cells regenerate and give you more flawless, clearer looking skin. So whatever you're using a product, if you're using any product, no matter how good that product is, and if you're not scrubbing your body, you're doing something very wrong, because if you don't take out the dead skin on your body, you're not doing yourself any justice. So it's always very, very important to do that, and it's always very easy to make scrub, so why not, you know? So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and click on that red button there, and also please do turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And please give my video a thumbs up and also share, and please do remember to comment on the video. And I also want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers and all my viewers and all the people who commented on my channel and all the people who like my channel. I thank you guys so much. Without you, I won't be here today. And to me, you mean the world to me. Without you, I don't know where I will be today. But I want to say a very big thank you so much, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you guys so much. In as much as I don't want to do this video so long, I'm trying to just rush. I'm not trying to do a rush work, but I know you guys have important things to do. I do not want to take too much of your time, so I'm going to take you back. I already have some of my stuff that I'm going to be using for this scrub laid out here. So go ahead and start the process. So guys, please be patient, and please also remember to watch my video. Also comment on the comment section, and if you have any questions. Okay, so these are the ingredients. This is my workstation here. Before I go ahead and do my scrub, I already made sure that all my utensils are clean, they're sterilized, and everything is clean. So if you want to do your scrubs at home, make sure your environment, your surrounding is clean. Make sure you have your alcohol spray to spray all the utensils after washing them, you know. So I have that there, and I also already have measured my oils here, because like I said, I don't want to take too much of your time. So I already have measured out some of my oils here. I also have some beeswax. I have some emulsifying wax here, and also have some quantity. I have a half a teaspoon of my beeswax here, because I'm making this scrub and I don't want it to be too dry. I want it to be be solid, to stay, you know. I don't want it to fall apart, to be dried. So that's why I'm making it, I'm emulsifying it. So this is actually an emulsifying wax. So I already have my beeswax in here. I also have my emulsifying wax. I have half teaspoon of my emulsifying wax here. I also have my half teaspoon of beeswax here. And I also have a cup of my coconut oil here, and I also have like 1/4 cup of my olive oil here, and I also have some other ingredients there, but I'm going to list everything if you have any question. I have some jojoba oil in here. So I'm going to go ahead now and heat up my oils, and when I heat them, I'll bring you guys back. But right now I'm going to put you on a pause. Like I said, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are busy. So I already have my sugar here that I'm going to be using. I'm using white sugar. I have some lemon here, some lemon juice. I already squeezed out some of them there. and I'm going to be using that. I also have my color here. I'm going to be putting a little bit of pink in it because I wanted to have that beautiful nice color. I also have some fragrance here. I'm going to be using the pineapple extract in this scrub. So guys, I'll bring you guys back when my oils are melt. I'll bring you guys and we'll take it off from there. Thank you guys. Okay, so now that my oil has melted, I am going to let it cool down a little bit, because if I pour it now that it's hot, it's actually going to melt all my sugar. So I'm going to let it cool down, you know, very well before I go ahead and mix. But so far so good. I've added some of the food coloring in here, so I'm going to go ahead and mix my color, so you know, to make sure everything incorporates together. So I have also I have my 2 cups of my sugar in here that I'm going to be using. So far so good. I put 2 cups. I'll see if I need more, or this will just be fine. So I did not do the measurement for the sugar, but we'll go as, you know, we'll see at everything as everything goes. I will go with the flow. So I just want to show you guys this part. So this is my color here, pink. You know, the reason why I want to make it pink, plus, you know, this is the month of February. This is a month of Valentine, you know, so I want to incorporate that. You might want to make something like this for someone that you love, you know, a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Anyone could use this scrub. But also, if you have diabetes, you want to make sure you talk to your doctor first before you go ahead and use this scrub, because it has it contains some sugar in it. I know with diabetes, you don't want to be exposing your body too much to sugary stuff, because that will raise your blood pressure, your sugar up. Sorry, I mean. So this is how the scrub looks like. I hope you guys can see. It's coming pink. I think this light is too bright, but I'm going to turn it down a little bit. See how pinkish it is? Is it too bright? It's like it's pink. It's turning pink. So I want to show you how the color looks like. See how pink it looks? It looks like a baby pink. Yeah, just want to show you guys. Okay, so I'm still letting the oil dry. So once it's cooled down to our temperature, I'm going to bring you guys back. I just wanted to show you how pink this looks like. So I'm going to put you guys on pause again. Thank you. Okay, so now the oil has cooled down. So I'm going to go ahead now and add my oils into my sugar. I'm going to slowly pour it in there and mix it together. Yeah, also I added 2 tablespoons of my baking soda in here. Also, baking soda is also good for exfoliating the skin. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. I'm just going to slowly add this into the scrub. I think this might just be okay. Let's see how everything will turn out to be after I pour it in. I'm just trying to take it slow because I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to over pour it. I want to make sure it's at the right consistency, because I don't want it too thick or too dry. So even if I'll pour the oils, if it's too watery, I could just always add some sugar in it, which it looks like. And I'm going to mix everything together, because it's like I said, it's an emulsifying wax, emulsifying scrub. So even if it's runny, it might get thicker later on. It will hold together, so I will make sure it will bind together into the sugar. will bind all the oil and the sugars together. So I'm gonna make sure of that. So I'm gonna also go ahead and add my lemon, and I'm also going to be preserving this scrub because I'm putting lemon in it. So make sure it doesn't grow mold in it. So this is a scrub here. This is how it turned out. It looks like it's at the right consistency. Not too runny, no. Is it too dry? I like it like this. So this way, if you scoop it, it won't fall apart. So this the reason why I'm putting the lemon juice is in it is because she wants to brighten her skin. So if you don't want to put lemon, you don't have to. Okay, so I went ahead and I added 3 tablespoons of more sugar into the scrub. So this is how the scrub looks. Look at that, I like it. I want to bring it near, let it camera settle so you guys can see. The scrub is good. I like it. It smells good. And I already added my 1 tablespoon of my my pineapple extract in here. So you want to remember 1 tablespoon of pineapple extract. It smells really good. And also sprinkle a little bit of some coffee. That's why you can see those black little spots in there. So I'm going to go ahead now and preserve my scrub. I'm going to be putting a tablespoon of my preservative in here because, like I said, because of the lemon. So 1 teaspoon of my preservative is going in there, and this preservative goes in at the cool down stage. So that's that. So this scrub can be used since the courses are small. I wouldn't advise you to use it on your face, but before you use it, just make sure you do a patch test and see how it is on your skin. And if you want to scrub your skin, always be very gentle with your skin because you do not want to irritate your skin. So scrub is ready. I'm gonna go ahead now and put it in my jar. So this is it here. You want to scrub, just gently, you know, scrub your body with it and let it stay on your skin for some minutes, like 5-6 minutes before you go ahead and shower. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my jar. I have the jar here that I'm going to be making for her, but I want to put it in a transparent jar so we'll see how our scrub look like. Okay, let me pour hers first because I want to make sure everything is full in there. And just quickly just pour some in there for her because I know it's not all going to fit in there. This is hers here. This is one I'm going to be sending to my friend. It's clean. I'm going to cover it up. And you don't have to put that in the fridge either. Just put it in a cool, dry place. So this I'll use for myself. And also, you know, when you're using a scrub, always be very careful in your bathroom because you know this has a okay, so I've already packed the scrub in here. It's ready, and this is the one that I'm going to be using for myself. I'll put it in a transparent bottle. Let me just see if you guys can really see how it looks like in the bottle. So this is it here, and I want to say a very big thank you to this guy. I thank you so much. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And please give my video a thumbs up. I thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.